Now let's tell you about a new drug crisis. The US has been struggling with fentanyl, a deadly synthetic opioid. Fentanyl overdose has killed thousands of Americans. Controlling it has become a nightmare for the government. President Joe Biden calls fentanyl an emerging threat to his country. The drug is used for pain relief as a relaxant for muscles. But if not taken in the prescribed amount, it causes drowsiness. It often leaves the person in a zombie-like state, which is why it's called the zombie drug. It was deadly as it is. Now a new one is out. It's called nitazenes, 50 times more potent than fentanyl. And it's spreading rapidly in the UK. What's worse, it is causing holes in the body of the people who use it. You heard that right. It is causing holes in their skin. Medical professionals are alarmed. They're calling it a terrifying evolution in the drug market. Here's our report.
A new breed of drugs is spreading across the United Kingdom. The synthetic opioid is called nitazenes, one of the most lethal drugs on the streets of the UK. According to reports, nitazenes are more dangerous than fentanyl and heroin. Medical professionals say that nitazene is 50 times more potent than fentanyl and up to 300 times stronger than heroin. Nitazenes first made their appearance in the UK in 2021. Traces of the opioid were found in the back of a taxi in the English city of Wakefield. Since then, nitazenes have been found in vapes, cannabis, and confiscated packets of cocaine. And it's not just England which is facing a threat. According to reports, the opioid has made its way into the Republic of Ireland. The drug has already taken the lives of over 50 people in Ireland's capital, Dublin. Authorities in the UK are raising an alarm over nitazenes. This was after they confiscated over 150,000 tablets of the opioid. So what are nitazenes and how does the opioid look? Nitazenes are essentially a white powder, but it can also have the texture of brown or yellow-colored powder. Nitazenes can be packed to look like tablets. The powder is also being mixed in vaping cartridges and synthetic cannabis. The opioid is the latest drug to be sold the most on the black market, and officials in the UK are calling it a public health crisis. Here are the symptoms of what nitazenes use looks like. Some of the milder symptoms include shallow breathing and irregular heartbeat. Other symptoms are much more serious. These include coughing up blood due to internal bleeding, holes in the skin and body, falling into an opioid-induced coma, and death by overdose.